Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to design a professional star badge using custom shapes. Start by selecting a star shape and drawing it large enough to be the main elements. Add a thick stroke to the star to give it a bold outline, then duplicate the star and reduce its size to build an inner highlight layer. Now apply a golden gradient to the inner star for a premium effect. Add circular shape behind the star to create a medal style look. Run all circles and stars to maintain perfect symmetry. Add inner shadow to increase the depth between each layer. Place small decorative shapes around the star for detailing. Insert text in a circular patch around the star if needed. Now add a subtle textures overlay for extra